Okay guys, got ourselves a light bulb here, which don't seem very exciting. This is a battery operated light bulb. I'm going to do a test on this. If it's any good, I'm going to get probably one or two more and use them for camping. Always try and save the bubble wrap and reuse it, you know. Charging cable. Oh, the hook is in there. It's pretty cool, huh? It's supposed to be 9 watt I think. It's already charged. 2 settings. I'm going to give it a full charge. It's just so it don't turn on in the box. I'm going to give it a full charge, and then we'll test it, see how long it lasts. And we'll check it in the night, in the dark, to see how long it lasts. I've seen market vendors use these. If they're used in the market, must be pretty good, you know. You can charge these off of your phone, I believe, or just plug it in to a phone charger. Right away, the light came on. Pretty cool. So I'll make sure it's fully charged, then we'll test it. We'll see how bright it is at night. It's got another charger port right there. Let's see how long it lasts. It says up to 6 hours. Okay, here's our light. I put it on charge. It was already fully charged. It's got a little red flashing light inside of here when it's charged. Ooh. 2 settings. It says 3 to 6 hours, so I assume on full power you get 3 hours out of it, and that's what we're going to test. That's really bright. Surprising bright, huh? So we'll see how long it lasts. The life expectancy is 3 to 6 months according to the box. So, you know, and the connectors where the plugs go in, it's very, very cheaply made, you know, very fragile, easy to break. It's not a long-term thing, that's for sure, but it only costs $3 or something like that, so not too bad. We'll see how she does. That'll be a lot of light in the tent, that's for sure. That won't work. That'll work. We'll see what happens in 3 hours. I turned off all the backlights. That's pretty impressive, man. Well, we're at 3 hours. It's raining, so I had to move the light. I think it's dimmed a little bit, but still not bad. We'll see what happens in the next hour. I figured it would be pretty much dead by now, but so far so good. 4 hours still going. Still raining too. Can't remember what we're at now. I'll put it on the screen. It's been 30 minutes. The rain is pretty much stopped and the light's still going. It's either 4.5 or 5 hours. 5.5 hours, I believe. It's still going. It's pretty dim. I wouldn't want to be trying to read a book with that right now. So that's not bad though, huh? I'm quite impressed. Quite impressed. Oh, and it's raining again. That's good too. Alright guys, there it is. My unboxing and test of this $3 light. It's not a solar light. You gotta charge it up. You can charge it off the phone or with I used my phone charger actually to charge it. Worked pretty good. And it came fully charged. I just checked it to make sure. For $3, can't complain. It's just gonna depend on how long it lasts now for accepting a charge, you know what I mean? Might be a few months, might be a year. I'd say more like a few months, but we'll see. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.